Antigua and Barbuda is a beautiful island nation located in the Caribbean Sea, known for its pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant culture. Here are some of the top tourist attractions in Antigua and Barbuda. Nelson's Dockyard. Nelson's Dockyard is a historic landmark located in the town of English Harbour. Visitors can explore the restored colonial buildings, learn about the area's naval history, and enjoy stunning views of the harbour. Beaches. Antigua and Barbuda are home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean, including Dickenson Bay, Jolly Beach, and Half Moon Bay. Visitors can enjoy a range of water sports, such as snorkeling, diving, and sailing, or simply relax on the white sand beaches and soak up the sun. Stingray City. Stingray City is a unique attraction located off the coast of Antigua, where visitors can swim with and feed friendly stingrays in their natural habitat. Shirley Heights. Shirley Heights is a historic lookout point located on the southern tip of Antigua. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the island, listen to live music, and sample local cuisine at the weekly Sunday party. Fig Tree Drive. Fig Tree Drive is a scenic drive that winds through Antigua's rainforest and offers stunning views of the island's landscapes, wildlife, and plant life. Barbuda. Barbuda is a small island located just north of Antigua, known for its pristine beaches and wildlife. Visitors can explore the island's nature reserve, see the famous frigate bird sanctuary, or simply relax on the secluded beaches. Antigua Market. The Antigua Market is a bustling open-air market located in the heart of St. John's, the capital city of Antigua and Barbuda. Visitors can shop for local crafts, fruits, and spices, and sample traditional Antiguan cuisine. Overall, Antigua and Barbuda offer a range of attractions for visitors to enjoy, from historic landmarks to natural wonders to stunning beaches. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or outdoor adventures, Antigua and Barbuda is sure to offer a unique and unforgettable travel experience.